Okay, guys, so it's going.
You just put it down.
So what down the camera? It's just the way. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh. Good morning, sunshine. So it is November. What's today? The 18th, and today is our C-section day. Yes. So
I hear you. I do hear you. She says, thank you. I'm singing, so I'm glad you hear me. Daddy is more than welcome to come with her. We're going to stay if you guys okay. What would you like to do?
So that one's the 5 word.
You want him to stay with
I'll stay with you.
you, or do you want to go with me?
I'll stay with you.
okay.
You stay with baby? That way you can get pictures and all that.
She's the prettiest. What's in it?
Why don't you just move it up?
What's in it, Mama?
I'll help her.
What's in it, baby? You want to help her? Okay.
You have granted such a
We only had 3 shots available, so we had to go back. So we went back today for the tetanus shot, and she was weighing 10 pounds, 2 ounces, and 23 inches long. And Madison. Hi, good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. What are you crying about? You ready? Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. Maddie, I am loved. I love you, Maddie. Have a good day, okay?
this baby back to you. I dedicate myself to train and love them like you do. I will do my part. I will put your word into their heart. I dedicate this baby back to you.
She's in a little roller coaster. She's like, hold on. She's like, I gotta get out of here.